ABML stock. So yesterday, the 6th of September 2023, the company announced that it has received a $57 million contract from the US Department of Energy for a multi-year project to design, construct and operate its first of a kind commercial scale lithium hydroxide manufacturing facility in Tonopah, Nevada. So ABML receives the US Department of Energy grant to construct this plant to unlock Nevada's lithium resources. The receiving of this grant contract award marks a milestone in the commercialization of American Battery Co.'s Tonopah Flats lithium project, which is designed to provide commercial scale quantities of low cost, low environmental impact, domestic critical mineral lithium hydroxide needed for the US clean energy transition, based on a recent third-party audited SK 1300 compliant Inferred resource reports. The Tonopah Flats lithium project is one of the largest known lithium resources in the United States, containing approximately 15.8 million tons of economically accessible lithium on a carbonate equivalent basis. The project engages several world-class partners including DuPont Water Solutions, the University of Nevada, Reno, and Argonne National Laboratory to support the commercialization of this next generation facility for the manufacturing of low cost, low environmental impact and domestically produced critical battery minerals. Okay, this is very good news, and it's there's a good chance this is not one of these phony things that some of these green tech companies are playing. You know, there are a lot of government agencies involved. These guys are not going to, be, I would say, they're not going to be involved in anything dodgy or phony. Everything they're going to do is, if they see that this is definitely something, they must have done their due diligence to see that all of these things, that American Battery American Battery Tech Co. is genuinely, or has the capability of pursuing this project. So I think that sounds really good. So coming to the stock, technically the stock appears to be improving within a longer term uptrend, although it's presently below its 200-day moving average. That moving average is rising due to prior gains in ABML stock. So we have been able to plot a few projections here, and statistically speaking, the probability of, as things stand right now in this pre-market session of today, the 7th of September 2023, the probability of ABML stock holding the current price of $0.654 is 64.8%. Sorry, the probability of it holding it is 35.2%. The probability of it dropping is 64.8%. So let me repeat that again. The probability of it holding this current price of $0.654 is 35.2%. The probability of it losing it or dropping is 64.8%. So on this one-day chart, we also have some upper projections. We have an upper projection of $0.6778. So the probability of that happening is 45.62%. The probability of it not happening is 54.38%. So the next upper projection is 0.75. Let's get it. $0.7059. The probability of that happening is 40.9%. The probability of it not happening is 59.10%. So the next upper projection is $0.780. The probability of that happening is 56.75%, and the probability of that not happening is 43.25%. So the next upper projection is 0.8014. The probability of that happening is 18.41%, and the probability of that not happening is 81.59%. So the next upward one is 0.955. So statistically, it's a zero chance that it's going to happen. So, but we determine these probabilities using these regressions. We have a standard deviation over 40 trading sessions over a 40 day period. So we have this regression of this statistical regression of its 40-day moving average. So this moving average is also looking upwards, just as the Fibonacci projections are equally looking upwards. That is how we determine these those probabilities I just read out to you. So as such, that that's why you have uneven probabilities in some cases. As you progressed higher, it looked much more probable, and as you extended high as well, it looks far less likely and stuff like that, so for instance, the probability of getting to $0.778 is okay, I think okay, the probability of getting to $0.748 is by far more than the probability of getting to $0.678. So that's there's some ambiguity there, but that is also based on the regression, based on the data that is available. So that's the much we have, on that. So we have a downward projection of $0.6103. We have $0.5513. This is where it printed a 52-week, not a 52-week low. That it was just a support as of late. The support was as of Wednesday, the 30th of August, $0.5513, and then all the way down to $0.3968. So ABML has just announced that it received a contract from the U.S. Department of Energy. We talked about that. That some time ago, that it probably, I think they indicated that they apply for that contract or so. So it's really positive that they got that contract. So yeah, that's what's going on with American Battery Co. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.